guys? Ripstick Bros here, back with another video. And today my bro, he's going to be showing you how to go off a curb with the Ripstick Ripster. Let's get started.
So we'll be going off curbs in this video, and you can use the Ripstick or Ripster. So this is how it works. So what's going to happen is when your Ripstick is going off, it's going to hit the ground with the front first, and you need to keep balance, otherwise you will fall off. And then you don't wiggle until you finally hear or feel the back foot getting down. Okay, so this is, here I'm going to do it right here. So that is running off a curb. Now, if you're new to Ripstick, you can use a pole. So I'm going to use a pole in this one to show you that you can use a pole. So that was our video. Now you can impress your friends with a cool new trick. Bye!